Removing a processor and heatsink.
Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle.
Use a Torx T30 screwdriver to unfasten all the captive screws following the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Rotate the anti-tilt wire bales inward and lift the heatsink slightly away from the system. To separate the processor from the carrier and heatsink, lift the handle to release the processor from the carrier. Hold the processor by its edges and then lift the processor away from the heatsink and carrier. Release the retaining clips from the heatsink and then lift the carrier from the heatsink.